Hi, Mr. Natural from Mr. Natural's Music School in Haight-Ashbury, California. Welcome. Well, we've been doing even intervals, seconds, fourths, and sixths, and we've done all the drills. Now, just like with the odds, we go on to see what it's like on the staff. So I've drawn here on the staff. You can tell that it's an even number because to your eyeball it looks odd. So here, from a line to a space, they're right next to each other. This is a second. From a space to a line, right next to each other, that's a second. Here, from a space up to a line, you can see there's one line or one space in between, so this is a 4. Here, from the line up to the space, with one line and one space in between, it's a 4. And here, from the space up to the line, 2 lines, 2 spaces in between, it's a 6. And here, from the line up to the space, 2 spaces, 2 lines in between, it's a 6th. So, if your reference is on a line, then the spaces would be the even number. If your reference is on a space, then the lines would be your number. Now we're going to go over a bunch that I've drawn out already on the board. And I've drawn these in 4 different keys. Right here with this X, this is where 1 would be. And you can see this first interval goes from this line to that space. Then from the line to that space. And this interval, that, so on and so forth. Now we're going to go through them and call them off. This first one is a second. The next one, 4. The next one is a second. The next one, big 6. Medium 4. Big 6. Medium 4. Small 2. 6. A 4th. A 6th. A 6th. A 4th. A 2nd. And we end with a, can't reach over there, a 4th, okay? Now we're going to put it on the reference on a different line. So remember, if the reference is on a line, then your even numbers would always wind up being on spaces. So this time we're going to use the B line here, or what would be the D line in the bass clef. So from here, you can see 2 lines, 2 spaces. This is a 6. Next, 4. Next, 4. Next, 2. 6. Next, 2. 4th, 2. 6. 4th, 6. 6. 4th, 2nd, 4th, 2nd, 6th, and a 4th. Okay, the next line down, we're now going from a space. So if your reference line is on the space, then the lines would be your even numbers. So remember, wherever 1 is, the even numbers would be on the opposite thing. This case, from here to there, 4. From here to there, 6. That one, 2nd. This one, 6. That one, 2nd. Then a 4th. Then a 6th. 4th. 2nd, 6, 6, second, fourth, 6, and a fourth. I just noticed they've all ended in a... Thank God I broke the pattern on the last one. Okay, now, this time we're looking at the A line if it was the treble clef, the C line if it was the bass clef. So this time, again, the space is the number 1. So even numbers will fall on the line. Space to the line, 2, 4, 6. Second guess these. 4, 6. You should get this one. 2, 6, 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, and the 6. Broke my pattern. So that's the way they look when we've got a note underneath them. So you're seeing the intervals the same way you did on the flashcards. Now in the next video that we do, I'm going to remove the bottom note, and all we're going to do is tell you, mark with an X, which line or which space the reference is on, and then you have to remember that if the X is on a space, the numbers are going to be, the even numbers will be on a line. If it's on a line, the even numbers will be on a space, and you'll have to guess them. Next video, please.